From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
Melon Pan is a beloved Japanese sweetbread with a distinctive cookie-like crust, often patterned to resemble a melon. Despite its name, it usually doesn't contain melon flavor instead. The name comes from its appearance and the cross-hatched design that resembles a rock melon cantaloupe. Melon Pan was likely inspired by Western-style sweetbreads introduced to Japan during the Meiji 1868 to 1912 and Taisho 1912 to 1926 eras, when Japan rapidly adopted European baking techniques. Some theories suggest it evolved from Portuguese or British sweetbreads, while others link it to Chinese pineapple buns bolo bao, which have a similar cookie crust. Melon Pan is a delicious example of Yoshoku Western-influenced Japanese food, blending European baking techniques with Japanese tastes. From its uncertain origins to its status as a beloved snack, it remains a staple in Japanese bakeries and pop culture.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.